The best way to get to a person's heart is through his stomach, and that's what the saying is. Here at TasteBuds, we strive and help you get there. Hello viewers, welcome to TasteBuds, the place where you can share recipes, thoughts, and of course, abuses if the recipe didn't work for you. What's vegetarian cooking without paneer? So today we are going to be making this wonderful starter, the grilled paneer. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump in. Alright, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, because it gives a good color and the spice is also less. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of chaat masala. This chaat masala will give a good flavor. Now I'm going to crush some Kasuri Methi, and I'm going to add a juice of a lemon. Then I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of curd. Curd helps in giving a good taste and texture to the marinade. And then I'll be adding a little bit of Garam Masala, maybe 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala to be precise. With the help of a whisker, I'm going to mix everything together to form a nice paste. Just that you have to ensure that it gets blended across and gets a consistent color and texture. Keep whisking it with the help of the whisker. You can use a spoon as well if you do not have a whisker. There you go. Our marinade is ready and we are going to add the vegetables, cut vegetables. So I have cut the onions and petals and diced the capsicums. And also I'm going to add the paneer which has been cubed. Now with the help of a spatula, probably or preferably wooden, we are going to give it a good mix to ensure that the masala is coated all over. We have to be a little soft on it because the paneer is really fragile and it can break. So we are done with the mixing. So it's coated well. Let it rest for about 2 to 3 hours. I forgot to add salt, so I'm adding it now. You can add it when you make the marinade. Just let it sit for 3 hours, but the longer the better. Let's see how it is right now after 3 hours. Great, so we see that the paneer is really soaked in the masala and is good to go into the oven. I have some skewers here which I have soaked for 30 minutes in water to ensure that it doesn't get burnt. So I'm arranging it alternatively with the paneer, capsicum and onion. And it's mounted on a grill. So let's go ahead and grill it in the oven in the roastery mode for about 20 to 25 minutes, the highest temperature. And I'm making a mixture out of fresh cream and butter. And if you do not have fresh cream, you can just use butter. And if you do not have butter also, you can use oil. So this is just to brush the grilled paneer to get a finishing touch and taste. So we're just going to brush that mixture all over the paneer. And once we are done with this, we would be transferring the paneer into the bowl and we are done with it. So after 20 minutes, just ensure that it is evenly cooked. If it is not, just turn the skewer around and cook on the other side, because mostly it would be cooked on one side and uncooked on the other. So just ensure that. So here is our final output, and I can tell you that it really tastes good. Thanks so much for watching. Just try it at home and let us know how it goes. See you soon. Thanks.